There is a charge for attempted murder, and I'm asking.
Okay. In this matter, we have an amended complaint which adds counts 4 and 5. Counsel, you received a copy of that, Ms. Barr?
Yes, Judge.
And you waive any formal reading of that,
Yes, Judge.
and your plan stands to to those charges?
That is correct. For the increasing your charge to.
They must have nice ears.
Hmm?
Must have nice ears.
All right.
We gotta do the.
So taking care of that part. Also, just because of the counting of the counts, at this time, the people are moving to dismiss count 3.
Correct, Your Honor.
There's no objection from defendant. Dismiss count 3.
Come talk to me today.
Yes.
And then you're requesting a forensic evaluation.
Yes, Judge, I am.
All right. Forensic evaluation is ordered. I'll set a competency hearing for August 28th, 2025, 9
If I can address bond.
a.m. Yes, go ahead.
Come to our attention, Your Honor, that the defendant has made 18 complete calls to the victim since being arraigned. In these calls, the first calls his mother wants to do a three-way call to connect the victim in, and then eventually gets a hold of the victim. And these calls telling her he loves her, he wants to get back together with her. At this time, I'm going to be asking for his phone calls to be revoked because on top of the 18 completed calls, he has 124 total attempts, including those complete calls. So at this time, I'm going to be asking that his phone privileges be revoked.
Yeah, I'd ask that not happen. I think he understands now not to make any calls. I don't want him to be cut off from his family.
Okay.
Well, you requested a hearing on this, but I mean, after you listen to the calls, but he's supposed to have no contact with it. That's
Your Honor.
third number,
And I'm really concerned that he's calling his mom and that was going to be called to try and make a three-way call.
which is going to be also a violation of the bond. And this time, defendant's phone privileges are hereby ordered revoked. In all other respects, his bond will continue. Thank you.
You
We'll
come
see you
talk to
at
me.
1 o'clock.
I'm sorry. That was an arraignment. Pardon? Oh, that's right. Court does call the cases of the people versus Quincy Jones.
Courtroom truths age quickly. What's clear today becomes cloudy tomorrow. Every statement is a snapshot of someone's version of reality. And like all snapshots, it's cropped carefully to hide the messy edges.
Okay, Richard McDuffie for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Mike Getty, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Jones, who's here to my right, Judge. State your name, Mr. Jones.
Quincy Jones. You feel better today?
Yes, I do.
Do you?
Yes.
Sobriety is a funny thing, isn't it? Never mind. You don't have to answer that. Don't ever show up here like that again. You hear me?
Yeah.
All right. What are we doing?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. This was also an arraignment. The court was attempting to arraign him on the new case last time.
Right.
Yes, on the 25 F2 1293, Your Honor, or 0697, Your Honor, anticipating that will be appointed, I would waive reading and standing.
All right. Defendant having waived formal reading standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea as to that case. And the public defender is appointed in that matter. What date did you want me to set probable cause?
Your Honor, I did receive the police report earlier this morning. Ms. McDuffie was kind enough to send it to me. The version I got last night wouldn't open, so I haven't had a chance to go over that with Mr. Jones. I'd ask for the next available date, and if I could be heard on bond.
Yes.
Your Honor, Mr. Jones is here.
Well, hold on a second.
Oh,
I'll make it the 17th, so he's not.
Thank you, Judge.
June 17th, 2025 at 9. That's time on the other matter too. Go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Jones is here in custody today, obviously. He does have a place to reside. He resides in Ann Arbor. He does have his own apartment. He does receive assistance from Avalon Housing. I was able to reach them on the phone, and they are, would continue to provide him assistance in navigating the ins and outs of life. He would comply with whatever drug testing the court would require, where sober link if the court, or a scram tether if the court required such. He does receive a monthly, I believe does receive a monthly shot under an ATO. I'd ask the court to give him an opportunity to have a personal recognizance bond in this matter with monitoring and whatever testing requirements that the court deems suitable.
From the people.
Your Honor, while I don't have an issue, my original request was for a $7,500 PR bond on this case. It probably goes without saying, especially at this point, that I am requesting a testing order. I don't know to what extent alcohol is something that Mr. Jones deals with, but certainly drugs, narcotics, cocaine specifically, are of concern to the people. I think that there was a request on his older file, but because he had been hospitalized and gotten out of treatment, the court declined to impose a testing order at that time. Unfortunately, I think we see that we probably need to keep close tabs on Mr. Jones's compliance. Other than that, no objection to PR and the standard.
Yes. How often are you using when you're out?
Well, but I ain't banging not that much.
Why?
Banging not that much.
Because I was a bit surprised you did what you did last week.
I don't call
No, usually you show up and you show up sober enough to take care of business.
Yeah, I have a lot going on between my mom's girlfriend, the house selling. It's
All right.
Yep. Yeah.
On case ending in 575.
Ever notice how truth arrives late? It never shows up on time, just when everyone's ready to give up. And when it finally walks in, everyone wishes it hadn't.
In that case, that I've adjourned to the 17th at 9, I'm going to reinstate his previous bond of the 5,000 personal recognizance. All right, and the previous conditions. It means that you're going to have testing on that. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
On his new matter, I'll set his bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. There's to be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. You need to repeat that?
Oh, yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
I'm going to order that he test at community corrections. How often are you testing under the old order? How many times are they calling you?
Not once.
I don't believe he was
I wasn't.
at all.
Oh, that's right.
But
So I'm going to order intermediate supervision with at least 2 times per week drug testing. Got that?
okay.
Thank you.
Your Honor, will he need to report immediately to community corrections if he gets out or within 24 hours? Or will they come see him before?
Yes, they get him out, community, and you're out before 4:30. I want you getting over, or 4 o'clock. I want you getting over there to community corrections.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your way.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Court does call the case People versus Paris Lester.
Cameron Reddish on behalf of Mr. Lester is approaching.
Paris Alexander Lester.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we were going to be asking for an adjournment for a potential global resolution on his other matters.
Probable cause conference, June 17th, 2025. 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the People versus Jacqueline Murray.
Cameron Reddish on behalf of Miss Murray, who can hear anything after. Jacqueline Murray.
All right.
Your Honor, we were going to be asking for an adjournment pending for release to treatment, but I believe she's already started her Dawn Farms program in custody. So we'll just be adjourning for plea negotiations after she does some progress there.
After she shows some progress.
Yes, she just started, I believe, right? Yes.
Is this the only, are these the only cases holding her here? Or does she have other?
She has other cases. I also believe she has cases. Well, she resolved, she has one warrant out of 35th that I don't believe has resolved yet. But here,
Okay, how much time do you want? I mean, I can do the 17th or 26th.
the 26th, Your Honor. I think
26th.
she'll have more progress at that point.
That's what I was,
Thank you.
I guess, kind of getting at. June 26th, 2025, 9 a.m. bond continues.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. You want those? Yeah. Court calls the case of the People versus Michael Patterson. Two
Morning,
cases.
Your Honor. Abigail Nyswanger requesting permission to appear, MSR 8.120 under the supervision of Laura Wood.
Get that whole thing? She did? Right through the Wisconsin names. Permission to practice is granted.
Abigail Nyswanger, fourth.
Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender for Mr. Patterson, who's here to my right. State your name, Mr. Patterson.
Michael Lee Patterson.
All right.
Your Honor, we're here for competency hearing. I did have an opportunity to meet with Mr. Patterson yesterday. We did go over the competency recommendation from the Forensic Center. We don't have any additions or corrections to that competency.
All right. And no other additional evidence.
No, Judge.
Is there any evidence from the People?
No, Judge.
You would stipulate to the report.
Yes, Judge.
Based upon a review of that report, the court would find that the defendant is competent to stand trial, would specifically find that he can understand the nature and objects of the proceedings against him and can rationally assist the defense. Therefore, the defendant is deemed competent.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll need orders.
I will prepare an order, Judge.
Okay.
And what would you like to set?
Every document entered into evidence is a piece of someone's life, compressed into ink and formality. You can almost feel the humanity trapped between the lines, waiting to be acknowledged, waiting to be believed.
For?
I'd ask to set this for a probable cause, these matters for probable cause, Judge.
Are these the only cases holding him here?
Yeah.
I mean, did you want me to set it the 12th or the 17th? That's, I guess, my ultimate question.
I'll leave that to the court's discretion. I do have a request on this. Actually, I think he has an MDOC hold, Judge.
Does he? Okay. Let me,
But I think that may be cleared up. I have not been able to verify that.
all right. I'll set probable cause conference for June 17th, 2025. 9.
Yeah.
I wanted to say something, Judge.
All right, Esteban.
Yeah.
I mean, Your Honor, Mr. Patterson is here. He has indicated to me that he would like to seek treatment, most notably at perhaps the Havenwick facility in Auburn Hills. If I'd ask the court to consider if we are able to arrange that, to consider if I'm able to talk to the prosecutor, reviewing a stipulation to release to that treatment if we're able to secure it.
That would be inpatient.
Yes.
Okay. I typically am not going to have an objection to any release to inpatient treatment.
Okay, thank you.
Appropriate, but if you work with the prosecutor.
Say what?
Otherwise, his bonds will continue. at this
Release
point.
it.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be in touch, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Where's Miss Yagi?
I think she went back to her office.
Okay, no, that's fine. I don't know why she's doing things better than everybody else. Did that hurt your feelings, Miss Parenti?
No.
No. I said she's doing something better than everybody else. And I'm just, oh, whoa. That was, wow. Okay. Oh, yeah, I know. I didn't want to repeat it.
I can't speak for everyone, but for myself, I understand why she's doing better.
Wow.
I know my limitations.
Court calls the case, People versus Tyler Redmond.
Testimony for the people in both matters.
Good morning. Attorney on behalf of Mr. Redmond. Your Honor, I had a green sheet. It was there and now it's missing. So I'll get that to you.
Probably why I said that about Yagi.
I know.
All right.
I guess I could admit my own faults.
Your name, sir?
Tyler Redmond.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are requesting an adjournment for ongoing plea negotiations and a referral to drug courts. So we're going to
Got
get them assessed.
That's correct. That's a felony report, Your Honor.
Okay, so are you gonna be doing that referral? I mean, I'm just thinking in timing of the adjournment.
Ms. Lonnie may know better than I. Do you know how long those assessments are taking?
Right now I don't, but I would say if we could do two, and if it's not done, we could do a six in order.
Yeah, that works for me.
All right, then why don't I just try the 17th to start with, and let's see if we can get it moving. Probable cause conference, June 7th. Bless you. June 17th, 2025. 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
It just appeared.
Wow.
I know.
No,
What a
it
nice
didn't
color.
appear. I saw her doing it. We start looking under everything. Don't worry about it. It's all done now.
I know.
Mr. Douche covered you. Court calls the case, People versus Lakita Roberts.
Hey, here, Richard McDuffie for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender with Ms. Roberts, who's here to my right.
Yeah, Lakita Roberts.
All right.
Your Honor, in speaking with Ms. Roberts and then in speaking with Ms. McDuffie, while I would like to also discuss a global resolution, it appears that there's a bench warrant that's outstanding out of the circuit court that didn't appear in X jail that Ms. McDuffie had found. It looks like it's a 2020 FTA matter.
That was already over at circuit.
Yeah, it's just an outstanding warrant. I'd ask the court to adjourn this briefly so I can track that down and get everything all squared away.
Okay, June 17th, 2025.
Thank you, Judge.
9 a.m. Bond will.
I'll be in touch, okay?
Thank you, Mr. Roberts.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Case of People versus Aaron Washington.
APA Richard McDuffie for the people.
Pardon? Yeah. Oh, okay. What's your name, sir?
Mr. Washington. We're ready in this matter, Your Honor. Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, appearing within on behalf of Mr. Washington. Today's the date and time set for the probable cause conference. We are respectfully requesting this matter be set for preliminary examination. We do believe all of the discovery is present.
Your Honor, I was just telling Mr. Brown, I didn't get a chance to tell him that I checked in advance with the OIC regarding availability. And he stated that he could be available either next week, June 10th, or July 8th. He will be out the intervening 3 Tuesdays.
Two. Yeah, I can set it.
It was just supposed to be attempted hard.
Everybody's gonna be ready.
But she tried to go and tax too. Okay, so we'll work on this. So July 8th was one of the options, Your Honor.
Yes,
And what was the other?
it was June 10th. It was, yeah, this Tuesday coming up.
June 10th, please. Your
June
Honor.
10th?
Yes, please.
Okay, everybody be ready on that day. June 10th, 2025. 9 AM, that will be before Judge.
I don't want to.
That's before, that's before Judge Barr.
That's the next day.
I just want to check out, are we sure about June 10th?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, German will be July 8th. We ain't trying to do that.
No, we're not
So
German.
you want June 10th, right?
Yeah,
See?
that's preliminary.
Okay, cool. That works. That's pretty
You
good.
two all set?
Kinda, we're getting there.
Kinda, no, I'm gonna get the count, but
Baby,
I ain't got all day.
Try to figure it out. Try to
We got
figure it out. Simpson.
June 10th, 9 AM before Judge Barr. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.